homies, I'm gonna beat the shit.
Through! That is through! You trying to bust that?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Awesome. Good. To help him.
Yeah,
I'm gonna let him go. So
Yeah, maybe everybody kind of move back, everybody. Yeah, get away.
This is what a cramp looks like. Look. Oh my god. I won't stop. I'm not doing anything.
What did you tell your teachers today?
Weed is not good for you.
And did you tell them that we have a lot of weed in our house?
Yeah,
Are we growing weed at our house?
yeah,
A lot of it?
yeah. This is weed. This stuff.
That's the weed you're telling all your teachers about?
And that's weed. That's weed. That's weed. That's weed. That's weed. That's weed.
Oh man, come on man, I feel you man. Come on man, daddy look. One more. Oh Lord, I know it. I know they did you wrong. They did you wrong, man. I know. They did you wrong. Baby, what does YES spell?
Yes.
What does EYES spell?
Yes.
What does YES spell?
YES spells yes.
Okay. What does EYES spell? What does EYES spell, my favorite? With the love of my life.